This video gives a brief introduction to the Arclight device. Switch it on using this gray button. At first, both ends of the arc lights may come on at the same time. If it does not come on at all or the lights are dim, the battery may be flat. Plug it in using the USB charger. When charging, the green lights will come on. After 15 minutes, it should be full charged and work for several hours. Leaving it in sunlight will keep the battery charged. You will not need to replace any batteries or bulbs. The mode when both ends come on is for general use. Switch the eye mode by holding the button down for 15 seconds. Then lift your fingers and quickly press again as the lights flashes. You are now on the eye mode where the ophthalmoscope will come on first, then the anterior segment loop. Repeating these steps will cycle through 3 different modes of general use: eyes, then ears. Once you have selected the preferred mode, pressing the gray button changes how bright the lights are and which end is lit. Make sure you use the correct end for the correct examination. The external eye is examined by using the loop. The view will be clear when you are very close to the eye at around 6 centimeters. The fundal reflex is performed at arm's length using the direct ophthalmoscope. If the view is blurred, then check the lens rack is at the top. In this position, there is no lens in the sight hole and the reflex should be clear. The Arclights can also be used to capture video of the clinical signs when attached to the camera of a mobile phone. Once attached, the sight hole of the direct ophthalmoscope will be placed directly over the center of the lens that your mobile camera uses in the video mode. The camera will function just like your eyes when you are looking through the sight hole. To confirm which lens to line up the sight hole with, open the video app on your phone. Place your finger over each lens in turn. When the screen goes dark, you have covered the lens used for video. Remove the yellow paper from the back of the clip. Place the points of the arrow over the center of the lens used to capture video. Press the clip down firmly. Remove the arrow. The clip should now be in the correct position. To video the reflex, switch on the direct ophthalmoscope, end off the arc lights and select the brightest light with 3 clicks. Make sure the lens rack is at the top. With the light facing away from the phone towards the patient, place the arc light in the clip and pull the elastic over to secure. Push the arc light up until it cannot slide any further. The slide hole of the direct ophthalmoscope will now be directly over the center of the lens that capture video. To record the external eye, use the other end of the device. To capture image now, open the video app and zoom in, filling the screen with the view through the sight hole. Press record and perform the examination. Press stop and save the video. You can now share with colleagues on a secure, encrypted platforms only for the purpose you gained concept from the patients. Enjoy using the Arclight in your job.